Yoga, a transformative practice, represents the harmony of mind and body, the balance between thought and action, and the unity of restraint and fulfillment. It integrates the body, mind, spirit, and soul, offering a holistic approach to health and well-being that brings peace to our hectic lives. Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yog derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Each year, International Yoga Day adopts a specific theme to focus the celebrations and activities around a particular aspect of yoga. The theme of 2024 is Yoga for Self and Society. Recognizing its universal appeal, on 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. Dear children, the draft resolution establishing the International Day of Yoga was proposed by India and endorsed by a record of 175 member states. The proposal was first introduced by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in his address during the opening of the 69th session of the General Assembly, in which he said, "Yoga is an invaluable gift from our ancient tradition. Yoga embodies unity in mind and body, thought and action, a holistic approach that is valuable to our health and our well-being. Yoga is not just about exercise, it is a way to discover the sense of oneness with yourself, the world and the nature. It also symbolizes the importance of individuals and populations making healthier choices and following lifestyle patterns that foster good health. In this regard, the World Health Organization has also urged its member states to help their citizens reduce physical inactivity, which is among the top 10 leading causes of death worldwide and a key risk factor for diseases such as cardiovascular, cancer and diabetes. Let us all immerse in the deep ocean of our ancient, effective and strengthening practice of yoga. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
अंगूठा कानों के अंदर, इंडेक्स फिंगर, तर्जनी सर के ऊपर, मध्यमा आंखों के ऊपर, अनामिका नासिका के ऊपर और छोटी वाली उंगली बेबी फिंगर डाउन द लोअर लिप्स। लंबी गहरी सांस और एक गुंजन कर रहा है ओंकार उच्चारण के साथ और ज्ञान का प्रकाश सभी अंधकारों को मिटा रहा है। इसको समझना है, ये चमत्कार है। होल्ड
सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है, भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है। सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है, सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है। भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत रानी नाम हमारा है, भारत हमको जान से।
Interlock your fingers, take it in your back positivity. Hold. It will help you to take positivity inside. Slowly release now. Relax. Let your breath go normal. भगवान को आलसी लोग पसंद नहीं है. भगवान को क्या, हमें भी आलसी लोग पसंद नहीं है. हम खुद आलसी होते हैं कभी कभी, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं हमारे आसपास के लोग आलसी ना हो. इसलिए पहले खुद का आलस हमें दूर करना है, और तभी हमारे आसपास का परिसर, आसपास के लोग भी उत्साहमय, आनंदी, एक्टिव रहेंगे. राइट? यू नो, पॉजिटिविटी एंड हैप्पीनेस इज इन्फेक्शियस. इफ यू कैरी इट, you will spread it all across. But at the same time, if you are complaining, if you are sad, if you are always grumbling, always negative, that also sometimes becomes infectious. So do not spread all these wrong thoughts. Let us spread positivity, happiness, love, energy, and let us become a blissful soul for this whole world.